I think this mission will benefit Americans, Canadians, citizens of the Earth, because we're going to go do something bold. We're going to take the Orion spacecraft around the moon for the first time, test it out for humans, and then continue with living and working in deep space and future Artemis missions with the goal of one day seeing humans on Mars and exploring further and deeper into our solar system.
Yeah, and I think it's also important for Canadians to recognize some of the opportunity that lies ahead for us to leverage a program like Artemis. So there are many benefits. The Canadian Space Agency strategically has highlighted, 4 areas that we're looking at as priorities. One of them will not be a surprise to anyone that has a $5 bill. It's space robotics. We have expertise in that area, and we're going to continue to ensure as we commercialize space robotics that those opportunities and jobs of the future are going to be here in Canada. And then a couple other areas are food security and remote healthcare. And as you start to think about having a sustained presence on the lunar surface and eventually Mars, there's a significant overlap in space exploration between just basic needs. And a couple of those really resonate with some of the problems we have in our country, which is delivering remote healthcare in the Arctic and food security. With climate change and climate adaptation, if we can't grow food in the Canadian Arctic, how can we expect to do it on the moon and on Mars? And so these are areas that we can use the inspiration of space to help us, bring real benefits to Canadians on the planet and society in general as well. And then the fourth area is climate change and climate adaptation. And space is not going to solve climate change, but it is one pillar of the solution. We've identified it as an area where space will make a significant and important contribution to all being on the same page, understanding the science of climate change, and helping Canadians adapt to some of the changes that we're already seeing.